shit. God damn. Can't believe that. Can't believe Kobe's gone. Kobe Bryant. The worst part about it is that he took his daughter with him. He took his future. A beautiful little girl. She was gonna be the next Kobe. God damn. Right now, man, goes to show you, live you may, die you must. None of us know the time or the place, but one person. I remember first time seeing that nigga play, bro. That was a game to remember. That was a game. I was playing my team. And even though I was sharing my team, kind of wanted him to win. Because I know his Mamba mentality. He's always playing at 100%. Sometimes 200. That's the man, bro. But hey, bro, that's how it is. We gotta keep moving on. Pick ourselves up. I know LeBron's trying to get a tattoo. I mean, that might be going too far, but hey, people just gotta do what you gotta do. So, you know, I remember when I got the news. I got a call from my pops. My pop said, "Did you hear the news?" I said, "What news?" It sounded dire in his voice. But I said, "What news?" He said, "Kobe Bryant's dead."
Kobe Bryant's dead?
Says, "Yeah, man. Kobe." I was like, God damn. Man. That's how I got the news. And this is going to be one of those things that you always remember where you were when you heard or saw the news. I want to know where you were when you heard and you saw the news. Leave a comment. Tell me about it. Tell us about how you feel about this Kobe passing. Dude was only 41, starting his best life. The dude was starting his best life. Damn. I know some people right now might take the opportunity to kick him when he's down. I think it's too soon, bro. Gayle King, think it's too soon, chick. Knock it off. Knock it off, Gayle. Not the time or the place, Gayle. It's not the time or the place. Dude's gone. Dude give us a lot. A lot of entertainment. A lot of entertainment. A lot of his life to entertain us. Gayle, go back to that Oprah mansion and just live there because you kind of foul. Kobe, we'll see you again.
I can't believe it's come to an end. You guys will always be in my heart, and I sincerely appreciate it. No words can describe how I feel about you guys. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. God, I love you guys. And I love you guys. And to my family, my wife Vanessa, our daughters Natalia and Gianna, thank you guys for all your sacrifice. For all the hours I spent in the gym working and training. And Vanessa, you holding down the family the way that you have. I can't, there's no way that I can thank you enough for that. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And what can I say? Mamba out.